Lawson Hemphill knitting machine, laboratory size knitting machine called FAK sampler. This is called fiber analysis knitter. What this machine does is it basically knits a single jersey fabric for dye preparation. When the fabric is ready, it can be taken out and dyed to analyze the color, dye, shape variations in the yarn. The two important factors that makes the fiber analysis knitter the best knitting machine in the industry is it has two important features. The feature number one is constant amount of yarn which is supplied by the meter head and constant tension that is maintained by the servo arm throughout the knitting. So each and every stitch is the exact same length and they are knit under the same tension. The operation is quite simple. The yarn is brought in with the meter head. Depending on how open or how tight fabric you would like, you can adjust the meter head to apply that amount of yarn, and it will be picked up by the servo arm and it will be prepared to a single jersey fabric as seen. This is a slow speed, and that was the maximum speed of the machine. At any speed, the machine maintains constant amount of yarn and constant tension throughout the entire test.
We have precise stitch control on the FAK knitter. We do this by the meter head. This meter head will feed yarn to the cylinder. It is adjustable. It controls how much yarn we feed and how tight the fabric will be. Here we can adjust it to the maximum size, maximum diameter, to feed more yarn to the cylinder and have a looser stitch, or we can close it to have a tighter stitch. It is very precise. We have precision to 1/10 of an inch with the meter head. Here we have a medium stitch, and looking at the sock, you'll see the quality of the stitch at this medium setting. Now we'll demonstrate if we open the meter head to the maximum size and knit some yarn. Looking at the fabric, you will see the difference between the medium and the open stitch. Very precise stitch control system with the FAK knitter. We'll close the meter head again to a medium stitch. And looking at the sock, you see the medium stitch and the open stitch. It was very simple to change the stitch, and it's very precise. Here you have the counter for the FAK. Turning it on, it will count the revolutions of the cylinder. Program it will enter in a value using the buttons on the front of the counter. We'll set it to 55. Press enter to enter the value. And then reset to 0. Running the machine, turn the counter on, count the revolution. When the counter reaches the set point, 55, the machine will stop and the operator can tie in another yarn. Then restart the knitting machine. The knitting machine will run at fast speed of 260 revolutions per minute at maximum speed. Removing the sample from the knitting machine. This is the yarn take-up. It goes in one direction, same direction as the knitting. We'll rotate the take-up to a position that allows us to remove the fabric. There's a knob. We'll pull that out and using scissors cut the sample away and then unwind the sample fabric from the machine. Here we have a precise knit fabric. Reconnecting the fabric to the take-up is fairly simple. We take the leader, put it around the guides and the tension bar, connect it to the fabric. There is Velcro to connect it to, and we can resume operation.
In this version of the FAK sampler with the feeder, we will talk about FAK sampler and standalone feeder or SAF. SAF is a semi-automatic package changer that is equipped with a yarn reservoir, so the machine will run non-stop, and a splicing unit. When the desired amount of yarn is taken out from each package, the length counter will count down. When it reaches to 0, the SAF will signal the operator to tie in the next package, and the operator will splice, and the feeder will run non-stop